And it's not saying, yes, it's good and it's true or false, but at least with a deeper understanding of things, you have a greater respect for it. So your positionality, you've got to be aware of the strengths of it, the limitations of it, and the possibilities of it. And so first and foremost, when you're entering into research as a researcher, understand that it is a privilege first and foremost that you're entering into that space. That's the beauty of Indigenous research, is that there's a clear recognition around the sovereignty of those voices and that data. Those are fundamental questions. Will AI be able to think Samoan? Will AI be able to think Tongan? And all of these things are happening around us. They guide the way that we live as a society, and you are part of that fabric. This is the number one about positionality. Why you for the research? Why now in this research? And why this topic?